In a bright seaside town where golden sands kissed the rolling waves, a curious little girl came to visit, her laughter dancing on the breeze and her eyes shimmering with wonder. That morning, the sea called softly from beyond the dunes, and she rose with a spark in her chest and the wind in her hair. With bare feet and a heart wide open, she ran to the shore, ready to make the most of every moment with her new friend, the ocean. "Hello, ocean," she called out. "Do you have any secrets to share with me?" A playful wave splashed up and brought her a seashell. She put her ear to it and listened very quietly, and the ocean talked to her. "Little one," said the ocean, in a deep, bubbly boom, "I am older than the mountains. I've watched stars blink into being and carried stories across the world. My waves have rocked sea dragons to sleep and helped ships chase dreams." And then the ocean began to tell stories. Because once you learn to listen, the ocean never runs out of wondrous things to tell you. Like the tale of a fantastically giant blue whale who sang nighttime songs to the moon with a voice that echoed through deep canyons of glowing coral and clouds of silly fish. There was a dolphin who told the worst jokes ever, so bad that even the seagulls, who usually find everything funny, rolled their eyes. But the other dolphins, they'd roll in the waves with laughter and wild joy every single time. The ocean told of coral towers that sparkled like jewels in a secret garden brighter than any rainbow. The gardens were guarded by hundreds of shy little sea snails that wore fancy painted shells on their backs and would boldly stick their tongues out at you when you passed. There was the story of an octopus with a treasure map tattooed on its arm who played hide and seek with sharks in a shipwrecked playground and always won. And of schools of shimmering silverfish that twinkled like falling stars, all swimming together in spirals that seemed to reach down into the endless depths of the dark water. The little girl listened, still as driftwood, soaking in every word with cheeks warm from the sun and wonder blooming in her chest. And when the ocean paused, she whispered her own little stories back into the wind, knowing the ocean loved stories too. That afternoon, when the sun danced high and the tide stretched wide, the ocean came close. "You've listened to my ramblings." "Yes, even the silly ones." "Oh, how I cherish you, little one. Your kindness spreads like the many seashells scattered across my sand." The little girl smiled and put the seashell in her pocket and tucked the ocean's words into a secret pocket in her heart. They were friends, now and forever. That evening, snuggled in her bed and sleepy from the day's sun, she closed her eyes and fell asleep to the soft and gentle songs of whales, singing to the moon. Songs spun from moonlight and sea foam that wove around her like a warm blanket. She knew the ocean would be waiting tomorrow, ready with new stories, new waves, and the kind of love that never runs out, because that's what friends do. And once you've heard the ocean whisper its stories, it never truly says goodbye. It just leaves a seashell behind to say, "Thank you for listening and remember me."